Hello, in this demonstration we're going to go ahead and walk through Posture Screen Mobile's integration with WebExercise, paying particular interest to simply the PDF generation of exercises for basically storing in your EHR. That's a common question, as well as printing. Okay, so you've already seen the video of Posture Screen Mobile, how you prescribe exercises within our application. Once you do, the patient or client of yours is going to get an email that will have this body text present, which will have their name. It'll be coming from your email address. It will obviously show your clinic. I just said Posture Co Clinic, and your contact information. This is also blind carbon copied to the email address that you put in the application Posture Screen Mobile in the settings, not necessarily the email address that you sent it from on your device. Okay, so make sure you put that email address in there. It's the same email address that you'll be blind carbon copy the posture analysis as well. So they're going to get this, and obviously I'm showing you this outside of an email client, so that way you're not seeing my emails. And I know somebody out there was wondering about that. Well, this is the body though. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here and then open this up, and what you're going to see is exactly their experience. This is the free version of WebExercise integration that everybody has access to when using Posture Screen Mobile's WebEx module. And you can see these are the exercises that I prescribed for Jane. All right, if I wanted to go ahead and view these exercises, you can go ahead and play the video. It has a complete the exercise prescription there. I'm going to go ahead and go back. We've also just integrated a traction module with using the dental orthotic. So say I want to be able to store this in my EHR client. It's very, very simple. But first, one of the things that you must know is that on your version of Windows, depending on what software you have installed, you may not be able to print directly to a PDF. So if that's the case, you can download this free client. It's called Qt PDF Writer, and it's free. Do the free download. They have professional download, and this is great. Basically, this sets up a program software that looks like a printer, but yet just generates a PDF document. Now, those Apple people out there with their Macs know that this has been a native selection for Macs for quite some time. Unfortunately, it's not the same for Windows. So just simply go to qtpdf.com, install the software, and you're good to go. I'm sure there's others out there, but this is one that I've used for years. Okay? Next, let's go ahead and go back to where we're at. So now, if I wanted to go ahead and print the summary, it will open this up, and then it asks me, there's a dialog box that comes up and asks me, well, what printer? I'm going to select Qt PDF Writer. And then now I just go ahead and click OK, and guess what has been generated? It has been generated a, well, I'm just going to say exercise summary. I'm going to just say, well, just say that if her last name was Smith. It's not, but we're going to say Jane exercise summary. And you would save this somewhere on your network, wherever you're going to import into your EHR software, right? So with that being said, I'll just make sure it's a folder, exercises. Okay, so I'm going to save it in there because I want to show you. If I go to my desktop and I'm going to go to exercises, and here it is. So if I double click here, it's now a PDF. Okay, it has everything that you need. Now, if you want to step it up a bit and go in here, we could go ahead and go into the exercises themselves. We can print them as well from here. Okay, you would just have to go up to File and then Print. Okay. However, it is much better. You have notice that you don't have direct print from this screen. You can print the whole page if you want, but you don't have just the nice page layout. So in the professional version, you have not only the 150 or so exercises in Posture Screen Mobile, but you have thousands of exercises. Notice I say thousands. At your fingertips, a little bit more that is in Posture Screen. So I recommend to all of you that you upgrade to, it's a very, very, very affordable service through WebExercises. When you prescribe the exercises through my application and you put in your account information, all your patients that you've ever prescribed to are managed here in the cloud, safe and securely. The patient that I prescribed is Jane right here. And if I want to see the exercises, this is the latest one that I did. Again, you get to this, but notice you have a lot more control. We can change prescription protocols, we do quick prescriptions. You can go ahead and email again, save these as templates, change the account, so many different things. You can print summaries. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and print summaries of all exercises. And let's go ahead and do, let's go ahead and do 4 per page, right? So now what we're going to do is I'm going to print this now. What we're going to do is we're going to make a multi-page document. I'm going to go in here, choose Cute PDF because that's acting like the printer, right? Hit OK. And it's going to generate the document. Now this is awesome because I'm just going to say Smith, Jane, exercises, prescriptions. So you can see we have a lot more detail with the professional account. You have this page, but then notice this is all the prescriptions, talks about the movement, the calendar date, everything is right there at your fingertips. Okay? And of course we added the traction module for structural based doctors using the dental orthotic. Okay? So there is the content using PostureScreen Mobile, the professional account. There is a lot more to WebExercises though. There are other videos, tutorial videos, but you can find any exercise that you can think of.